So you map them next to it, and there was a study that came out about, and once again, this goes back to the status quo of scientists, of academic scientists. There was a paper that came out a few years ago because they didn't have much data. They said that dire wolves weren't closer related to wolves. They were closely related to jackals. And that's because at the time, they only had 0.15% of the genome, right? They just didn't have all the data. That's not negative. They just didn't have all the data. Now we know that they actually were closely related to wolves because we have more data.
Which wolves?
Gray wolves, or the precursor to gray wolves, right? So they were closer to the wolf ancestry line in kind of the broader canid group and family group. And so what we found is, so once you do that, we start looking at all these genes and we start to understand what are the differences. And we start to see that in certain parts of the genome that are responsible for size, for muscle, for craniofacial, that there's differences, right? So we can start to map and say, okay, where are the differences between gray wolves and where are the differences between gray wolves and dire wolves?